installed these drivers, and I didn't know the sound. It sounds like the sound card drivers are on there as well. So I thought they'd be separate. So let's run. The old DX diag. It may not work. I don't know. There it is. That's come off that sound card I just put in there. Sound, it works. It works. Can't believe it. Right, I'm about to install Windows 98, and I'm on Windows 2000, and I've got two partitions. This is the main one, C, that's NTFS, and the black, probably see it near the top there, is install Windows 98 on this second partition. This here is the Windows 2000. It's about 60 gig, and then there's Windows 98. It's going to go on that one. So restart. Wait a minute, I need to make sure. Sticking it on a floppy disk. That one didn't work. I've got ME startup. I don't know if I need either or. I've got the. There's no disk. This version of Windows 98, I put the startup disk on the disk itself. So I don't know if I need the floppy on that one. Actually, we'll see if it takes it. Okay, let's restart. It's just checking the drive there. What I did with this in about years ago was I put the startup disk on the actual CD image with Nero burning software, and you can make a bootable CD. So I put the Windows 98 floppy disk, startup disk, on the same disk as the Windows 98 thing, and it boots without a floppy disk. The image is already on the CD, so that saves a lot of messing about. Keyboard, make it stretch, yes it will. I can't see the keyboard properly. Right, yes we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Display partition. Okay. Create DOS partition or logical DOS drive. Yes. Create primary DOS partition. Yes. What it will do is it will basically take quite a while, because that's about 60 gig. So this is going to take a while, so I'm going to come back when this is finished. That's just finished. Yes. Oh, I could do what? I've got to verify it now. Okay, about when it's finished. Right. Escape. To restart, so I have to display partition. This won't read NTFS on Windows 98 side because it will need an add-on thing, otherwise it won't read it. So I haven't formatted it, have I? It thinks this is C drive, which it is to itself. And I need to create logical DOS drive. Hold on a minute. I just looked online, and basically it says you have to make the partition, half of it is primary and the other half is the extended partition for the DOS thing. So create partition. What did I do before? I formatted it right. So just escaping out of that. So 4 is display. It's not been formatted right, so I need to format that. What I'm doing here, I think I have to format it though, don't I? Right, I've had a look, and depending on what version you're running, Windows 98, and what machine you're running it on, there's a limitation of I think 32 gig partition and a maximum of 137, something like that. So I'm not quite sure. I haven't accidentally deleted my Windows 2000 partition. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. It's like bloody. It's taken out about 10 minutes to do that. 66 gig. I think that's what it says it's looking at for that partition. So if I go fdisk, oh man. Okay, let's have a look. It says FAT32. Okay, so that I'll have to restart. I'm not sure if I need to restart that. Let me restart that. I think I have to put the extended DOS partition after that, but when I reinstalled it the other day, I did something on another. I think it was, I was using the virtual machine version. It's totally different. I didn't do an extended DOS partition in it. Do I need an extended DOS partition? I don't know. I think it says it destroys the put 98 on second. It messes up the bootloader, but I think I can restore that. I totally forgot about that. I mean, it's been ages since I did 2098 dual boot. It's been a long time since I did that. Normally you put the later OS on first and the earlier one on second. My fdisk, yes. Let me just see what I'm looking at. It says misreported. I'm on a SATA converter, 160 gig SATA, and it's on a converter on a machine that doesn't have SATA on it, so that kind of complicates things. One, create logical DOS disk or part. Create extended DOS partition number 2. Oh, no, create logical DOS drive in the extended DOS. To create an extended DOS partition, right? Let's do that then. No space to create. I don't know what it's doing. Wait, extended DOS partition then. No space to create DOS partition. There we are. I haven't got the drivers on here, but I'll have to install them. How big's my hard drive? You won't see the other partition. 65 gig. It did format all of it then. Okay. I need to basically fix the drivers and the bootloaders, so I'll be back when I've done that. Right, so I have to repair the bootloader. That's taken about 10 minutes to load that up from floppy disk. Press R. To repair Windows installation by using recovery console, proceed to using the emergency repair process. Using the recovery console. Right, let's see if it does it. To get back to the dual boot. Good. Right, so we've got Windows 98 down there, Windows 2000 up there. I put them on back to front, so you're supposed to put Windows 98 on first and then put Windows 2000 after it, which yeah, but there it is. I'm going to complain about this, isn't it? I'll have to install it. I've already done this, but